93% 3D artists will ignore this advice when it comes to rendering. Are you someone that use V-Ray for SketchUp for your rendering? And do you notice that there are more competition every day in this industry, and somehow they have the same problem or frustrated with the rendering time, especially the result is not look professional? Hey, Ronaldo here, and in this video I want to share with you my journey in this industry, which is I want to share with you about my mentor, what he said to me back then. And he said to me, hey Ronaldo, do you know why most 3D artists is not going to hear this advice? Because they actually don't want to hear what I'm about to say. And I was like, what kind of advice that you are going to say to me? And he said, rendering is a journey. Rendering is not something that you just press one button and then somehow you will get the result. You need to put lots of attention on every step. Like, for example, V-Ray. V-Ray is a render engine. It's only to help you to create the material and calculate the GI so you can get the photorealistic result. But you still need to put a lot of effort in terms of detailing and the camera composition. You need to make sure that you treat this as a masterpiece. Just let's say like Leonardo da Vinci or Rembrandt. They put a lot of attention on their drawing, and they also play with lights and shadow, and they treat their work as an art and as a masterpiece. While most 3D artists is actually, including you, that is the first time I got coached from him. So including you, actually treating this industry is like just pressing one button. So there are no artwork happen just for one button. So you need to put lots of attention. And I said to him, Master, I'm not someone that really patient enough, have the patience to put lots of detail on my image, on my rendering. So what can I do? And he replied that, why you only hear what you want to hear? I know that because you only want to hear if there is something like pressing one button, and you always believe that the V-Ray render setting is going to do all the job, and you keep trying to find the best V-Ray render setting. So again, if you don't want to put the effort, someone will put the effort. The days when you don't feel like doing it, it's actually are the days when makes all the difference. When you don't want to put the effort, someone out there putting all the effort and keep practicing, and to be the champion that will crushing it and will be the champion in this ArchViz industry. So it's yours to choose. You want to be someone that always trying to find or keep telling a lie to yourself, or to be the champion in this industry. And I said to him, I want to be the champion. And that is what makes me today. And that is why I also believe 93% of 3D artists will ignore this advice when it comes to rendering. If you are someone that looking for a step-by-step production workflow that my coach already give me, and all you need to do is click the link on the description or somewhere in this video. And if you like this video and enjoying, and you think this video brought value to you, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tag as many as possible of your friend in this on the comment below, and I will see you on the next video.